Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for cryptocurrencies transactions. Whether you are buying, selling or managing cryptocurrencies, InfinitePay.io provides a user-friendly platform. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the cryptocurrency or crypto transactions section. This is where you can manage your crypto activities. To buy cryptocurrency, select on Buy Crypto or a similar option. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to buy and choose your payment method. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase and your cryptocurrency will be added to your account. To sell the cryptocurrency, select on Sell Crypto or a similar option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell and enter the amount. Review the transaction details and confirm the sale. The proceeds from the sale will be credited to your InfinitePay.io account. To transfer cryptocurrencies, select on Send Crypto, enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount to send, and any required transaction details. Confirm the transfer details and complete the transaction. You can track down the status of your crypto transactions through the dashboard. Monitor your cryptocurrency portfolio and transaction history to keep track of your holdings and activities. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for cryptocurrency transactions. This platform makes managing and executing crypto transactions straightforward for efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. And thanks for watching.